Okay, today I got the Levoit. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it is the Levoit Core 300p Air Purifier. I'm going to be just taking a quick look at it. All right, let's see what's on the package, the instructions. Remove plastic from filter before first use. Then you have a diagram here with different functions. A, fan speed indicator. B, fan speed button. C, sleep mode indicator. So let me just take out the actual product and then I can put it aside and save some time. All right, got the instruction, and then here's that same diagram. Let's put that there. I must say that's really well packed in. All right, let's pull this out. Okay. Let's see. So I chose this because it's a fire season, and just in case it gets pretty smoky. And I do a lot of yard work, weed whacking, and every time I come home I'm always dragging in some kind of dirt, dust, and it accumulates after a while. So I wanted to get something to just help with allergies and just help with the air quality. Let me put that aside. So here we got the unit. And let me check out our 12 specs. So online it says that this thing should cover 1,074 square foot, and it has 3-in-1 filter with HEPA, sleep mode, whatever that means. I'm just kind of reading directly off the website, but I'll check all that stuff out later on. So let's take a look at the manual. Okay. Little introductory packet with all the different products that they have. All right, so turn this over. Open. Okay. Yeah, so you definitely want to take off this because it's probably not going to work. Well, obviously it's not going to work without the plastic being removed. So let me put this back in. Then I believe I got that on correctly. Turn right to close, left to open. Let's plug this in. Okay, so back to the manual. So here's your on button. So you have a fan speed, sleep mode, timer, display lock button, check filter, display off button. All right, so there's a whole bunch of different instructions, different things in here that I'm going to go through, and I'll be doing a follow-up video in terms of the different features and all that. But I just wanted to do a quick unboxing and show you what this thing is like, and pretty much you have a general idea by looking at it. And these come, I believe, in a black version, but I like this one. It's a little bit cheaper. So yes, that's about it, and thank you guys for watching.